Good morning, I'm Met meteorologist Jacqueline Langdon here with your morning weather update for Wednesday, January the 11th. Beginning with our infrared satellite and radar, we can see that there is a frontal boundary that's extending from Maine through the central portions of the U.S., coming back in around Virginia, North Carolina, and extending back in towards Oklahoma. Currently, the western satellite coverage for the U.S. is having an issue, so we don't have anything covering that area for our satellite feed, but we can still get our radar, and to compensate for that, I've also included our pressure center locations, which are the red L's for our lows and the blue H's are our highs. So we can see that beginning in the Rockies, we have a complex of lows that moves back to the Pacific Northwest that is going to be the cause for all of the rain and snowfall that we are experiencing throughout that region. Taking a look at our forecast radar, we can see the frontal system that's over the eastern U.S. that's going to become stationary for the next couple of days. This forecast radar is valid from 9 a.m. today until 6 a.m. on Friday. So we're going to see that cold frontal boundary become a stationary boundary over the central U.S. from Virginia through Oklahoma. By Friday, a low pressure center is going to form off of the stationary boundary and develop further into the day, bringing lots of rain and some isolated thunderstorms to Oklahoma and northern Texas. With this frontal boundary, as it pushes south, we're going to be seeing cold air moving in behind it, but we have all that nice warm air coming up from the south. So we're going to see the potential for freezing rain on the northern side of this boundary for the next couple days. For today, the threat is going to be for mainly the northern Illinois and southern Michigan area. For tomorrow, the threat for freezing rain potential is going to be for southern Missouri and southern Illinois. And for Friday, we have more of a widespread threat for freezing rain, extending from Oklahoma through Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, and into West Virginia. We also have continued coming into the West Coast low pressure that's going to be bringing rainfall for some of the lower elevations and snowfall for the higher elevations. However, they will be getting a little bit of a break come this end of this week, but we can see at the very northwestern corner of our screen that another front is going to be pushing into the Pacific Northwest over the weekend. Taking a look at our forecast temperatures, this is valid from 9 a.m. today until 6 a.m. on Friday, just like our forecast radar was. And we can clearly see the well-defined line between the cold air and the warm air that's going to help for the freezing rain events throughout the central portions of the United States. We can also see that by Friday, some portions of the South are going to be seeing cold temperatures coming back. And for those up in the Midwest, the warm temperatures that they are going to be seeing are going to be leaving quickly and going right back down into the winter temperatures. I'm Met meteorologist Jacqueline Langdon. Have a great day.